I could go. I think I'm ready. I was dealing with this thing this morning. Anyway, I think it's all good. I think I know what I'm doing. So demoing two things. One is I haven't merged this yet, and so this is partly like a request for feedback too. Um, the changing the way we do query views a bit. So here's a SQL view, and it has nothing in it at all other than just the select star. But if you go to here, you'll see like all the dimensions are there. So just basically implicitly putting the dimensions there. And again, live demo, didn't have time to test any of this, but you should be able to then go, if you don't want one of them, um, just remove it, but it might not work. It didn't work. That's not surprising. So something to figure out there. But in theory, that would be the idea. So that's the but that's what it looks like for a SQL view. And then over here for a query view, if we go in, this one's a little more interesting because it has this kind of clunkily named parameter, and I don't know exactly what else to call it. But basically, it's saying like this thing has these three fields, and the problem we have is that these then end up with our funky omni aliases that are like, in quotes, users.age sum. So basically, instead, name our three fields these nice names. And then if I go, and that also implicitly creates those three dimensions with those three names. So if I go query it, actually, that's not even going to show up at all. If you can see down here, it's selecting these. Actually, these ones didn't even change their names. So you can see it selected this one as age sum. So not the users.age sum, which would be today. And same, and so if you wanted to refer to it with a column reference, that would be actually like the name you refer to it as. Anyway, that's kind of the thing to think about, kind of for to chew on is like this is kind of a weird name. It, in Looker for native derived tables, the way it works is you declared each thing had to declare its name, but then you did have to redeclare the dimensions on the bottom. Anyway, if folks think about it,